What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life after an oil change on a 2022 BMW 7 Series. So like I said, it's a 22 7 Series in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years and models. So I'm in the vehicle with the vehicle off. The first thing we want to do is put the vehicle into diagnostic mode. In order to do that, what I'm going to do is, without pressing the brake, I'm going to quickly press the stop-start button 3 times. And now we're going to be in diagnostic mode. Now what I'm going to do is come over to the blinker control, and this BC button, I'm going to press and hold that down. So press and hold that down and continue to hold that down until we see a message on the dash that says oil reset possible. This will take several seconds. Okay, once we see that reset possible, what I'm going to do is release that button and then press and hold it down again. Continue to hold it down. And we're looking for the message that says reset with a question mark. Once we see that reset with a question mark, we're going to do the same thing one more time. Let go of the button and then press and hold it down and continue to hold it down. And then you see the reset in progress. Keep holding it down. And then once it says reset successful, you can go ahead and let go of that button. And it has been reset. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.